The next divine name is Al-Wahid, meaning the One, the Single. Allah, the Exalted, is single in His entity, attributes and acts. He is neither resembled by nor resembles anything whatsoever, and He is without partner or equal. The Muslim who understands this divine name will ensure their actions are only performed sincerely for one single entity, namely Allah, the Exalted. Otherwise, they may find that on Judgment Day, they are ordered to seek their reward from those who they acted for, which will not be possible. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 3154. A Muslim should act on this divine name by striving to perfect their faith by loving, hating, giving and withholding for none other than Allah, the Exalted. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.